Hello, I'm Sarah. Welcome to my Tunisian stitches collection. Today I'm showing you a variation of the Tunisian lace stitch. The Tunisian lace stitch is a super easy stitch worked from a chain in an odd number of stitches. So let's begin. Here I have started with a Tunisian foundation row of 9 stitches. If you have any doubts or questions about the Tunisian foundation row, just click on the link appearing on the top right hand corner of this video. So here's the stitch. Chain 1. As usual, skip the vertical bar that's right under the loop on the hook. Skip the first vertical bar and work into the next as in a Tunisian knit stitch. That is to say, you insert the hook here between the front vertical bar and the back bar of that stitch, like this, yarn over and draw up a loop. Chain 1. Again, skip the next vertical bar and work into the following stitch, working again knitwise, inserting the hook between the front and the back bar of that stitch. Yarn over and draw up a loop. Chain 1. Repeat this movement. Skip the next vertical bar and work right into the following stitch. Again knitwise, like this. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Now we've reached the end of the forward pass. Again, skip the second to last vertical bar and work right into the edge stitch. Again, you will work this stitch as a neat closing stitch, as I like to call it, by inserting the hook under the vertical bar and its back bar at the same time. Yarn over, pull through and draw up a loop. As you see, you have pulled up on the loop a number of stitches that's not the one we have chained at the beginning. So it's 5 stitches instead of 9. This is absolutely okay. So from here, let's do the return pass. We chain 1, then we'll chain 1 again, yarn over and pull through 2 loops together. Chain 1, yarn over and pull through 2 loops together. Again, chain 1, yarn over and pull through 2 loops together. 2 loops left on the hook, yarn over and pull through those 2 loops together, like this. How do we proceed from here? We'll repeat what we have done so far. So we begin with a chain 1. Now we don't have to skip any more stitches. We just work into the stitches as we find them. Again, we are going to work into them knitwise. So let's insert the hook knitwise into that stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, chain 1. Insert the hook into the next stitch here, knitwise, yarn over and draw up a loop, then chain 1. Again, insert the hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, chain 1. And here we have reached the edge stitch. We will work into that first chain 1, making a neat closing stitch like this. Yarn over and draw up a loop. Again, chain 1, another chain 1, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops together, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through those 2 loops together. And this is the stitch. This is how it looks. As you see, it's a breezy light stitch for Tunisian crochet. Yes, I hope you like it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you next time with my next Tunisian stitch. Bye bye.